going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's finally time that I clean up the shop and all my tools from being on the floor and in that little red toolbox. If you guys have been watching the videos for a while, you would know that I've been working out of this little red handheld toolbox that's way overloaded, way overstuffed. Tools are always all over the floor. We're always sitting on the floor. Well, today it's time to fix that. It is time to finally get a toolbox to clean the shop up and to make my life a little bit easier. So let's go to Home Depot and let's buy the cheapest box we can find and let's see if it'll fit in a Veloster N. And just like that, she fits. It's a smaller box, super cheap, gonna be sick, and it fit in the Vel. Let's get this thing unloaded. Boom, boys, and there it is. It is a tight fit, but the box fits. And of course, it's a Husky. This thing was dirt cheap. You got the big box, you got the small box. It's gonna be sick. Barely fit, barely was able to close the trunk, but it fit, and it is going to clean up my situation so much better. Now it looks like it's just the bottom part. Oh yeah, I got a big box under here. It's literally wider than the thing. Nice. Yeah, okay, it's making sense, it's making sense. So, I gotta take off these right here, and then they can slide out. I'm getting it, boys. Okay, now we can pull our toolbox out. This is the most strangely packaged thing I have ever come across in my life. You know what, boys? It feels pretty damn good. Box number 2. And we have the casters. People say because I'm manly, people say because in love. People say because I'm manly, people say because in love. Alright, boys, it's a little bit hard to get a socket in there. That's what took a little long for the wheels, but I got 2 more holes to fill, and then we can flip this thing over and finally see the new box. Oh, it's super tight. Boom! Nice. Let's put our box on top of it. And there you have it, boys, the new box. That's pretty good. Got a fresh set of keys. And it actually, for Husky, it feels kind of solid. It's not that bad. The drawers are dampened. And they get bigger as they go down. They tend to slide out, but it is Husky. You got some deeper drawers down here. And then storage in the bottom. That is not bad at all, man. That's pretty solid too. That is pretty freaking solid. And then you can just cart it around. I am into that. Now it's time to organize all of this into this. Oh, just seeing that looks so much better. The thing is taller than the Civic for perspective. It's as tall as my tripod. And this is what I was working out of before. We're starting to fill up the box here. As we can see, we got some power tools, ratchets, and sockets up top, the main stuff I'm gonna need. And going down, we have all of our wrenches, all of our hand tools, pliers, things like that, all of our screwdrivers, pry bars, picks. Down here we have sockets, extensions, swivels, and some Allen keys. And then moving down, we're just gonna have more and more. So like I'm probably gonna do like an electrical bin, and then put all my, oh, it's locked. But put all my like power tool boxes and stuff in here. We actually don't even have enough tools to fill it. Now I feel like I don't have enough tools. 2 seconds ago I was feeling like I had too many, so this is good. And that is just weird, seeing my old toolbox empty for the first time in years. You guys know what my little corner back here looks like all too well if you've been watching the video. So now I'll finally get to be able to work on this desk instead of just having my toolbox here. And then this toolbox can slide into the corner here, and we can take some of this stuff, put it on these shelves, take some of these bins, chuck them up here, and just reorganize everything. But today we got the toolbox, it's assembled. We'll have to do some more organizing some other day. For the first time, just going into our new home, boys. Oh my God. It fits perfectly. Fits perfectly right in the corner there. That's sick. All right, boys, definitely not as exciting as working on the cars, but nonetheless, it's gonna make my life a lot easier having this new toolbox now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe if you did, because we have tons more work on the hatch and this engine sitting in the corner with all of its parts splayed out across our engine table here. So now we kind of have our little corner of workbench with battery chargers, toolboxes, and then right here we have our little engine building bench with the car behind us, engine on the stand that's able to float around, and all of our shelving here. So this corner is coming together fantastically. I'm really pumped on it. We're obviously gonna get some Brash Garage banners and whatnot. We still have to clean up this desk, but new toolbox is in the shop, baby. Until next time, peace.